Hey friends, welcome back to John Drinks. Today we are making a drink that contains neither corn nor oil. It's a classic that comes from around Barbados. This drink can be found in page 180 of Smuggler's Cove. This is a tiki drink called the corn and oil. Typically this drink would be made with blackstrap rum, which has it gives it sort of a oily look at the top of drinks. I'm not using that one today, I don't have it unfortunately, so I'm just going to be using some Captain Morgan's dark rum. You'll also need some fallernum. I have a video on how to make homemade fallernum if you want to check that out as well. But without further ado, let's hop in and make this delicious drink. So we're going to build this drink right inside a rocks glass. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of dark rum, half an ounce of our homemade fallernum, and 3 to 4 dashes of angostura bitters. We're going to top with crushed ice. And then we will give this a stir until the outside looks nice and frosty. For garnish, we'll add a lime wedge, because some versions of this recipe actually call for lime juice. So I like to put it on the side so people have the option to, add it on and squeeze it in, or they can just drink it without it. And that is the corn and oil. Now, the first thing I can say is this is sort of made like old-fashioned. You have spirit, you have some bitters, and you have some sugar. It adds a lot of different spices, combined with the angostura and all the cloves coming out from the fallernum. It's very, very spicy. Not like a hot spicy, but like a spicy. And you get just a little bit of almond on the finish too. It's very lovely. I'm gonna try this with the lime. That just brightens it up so much. It makes it super refreshing. Anyways, that is the corn and oil. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this drink or not. Remember to like, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.